Hello everyone, Young Brook here. If you are business owner or entrepreneur, you support people, you sponsor, you help them with their business. But some people, they not support you back. Like promote you through social media or tag you and help you or share content or share things in your business. Feel frustrating, right? So today I talked with one of designer and she shared with me that she feel very frustrating and she thought that people not value her work and always not try to support her in many ways. And she said like this, I support the business, I support people, the model, and people actually come to me and ask, okay, can I wearing your clothes photo shoot and then I will support you, or can I wearing your clothes to attend into the event so I will promote your clothes or your business. But after event, after they borrow the clothes but then they not promote in the way that she want. And I asked her the question, so you say they not promote, but did you ask them? She say, oh yes, I did ask them, but they didn't do anything about it. So I did explain to her like this. So we are human. I could say that it have two type of personality or people. The first of all, people they know something and people they don't know something. For example, let's say that the model they actually borrow the clothes and the designer say, can you promote me or support me? And the model really wants to support, but the first type of model, yes, they know how to promote, but the second type of model, they don't know, especially writing caption or what to say and how to say or share the video or thing like that. They don't know. So the person they already know, I don't talk about it, but I talk about the people they don't know. So if you are running a business and you really want someone to promote your business, you need to give them the guidance. Okay, like for example, what do you want people talk about your business? Let's say clothes. What do you think about your clothes? Your clothes is beautiful, glamorous, and look um colorful, for example. And what is your brand standard? Like you design with the short dress or long, or the material, or kind of like where people wearing it, like casual wear or formal wear or something like that. It needs to be specific. Then you are going to ask the model to support you. You give them at least the template or something that they can copy and paste or fill the blank, or you ask a few questions that so they can answer themselves, like they can answer, they fill the blank and then they answer themselves. So that is make easy for them, but also make very clear, okay, can you please support me and share 3 times a week, all right? Before you borrow my clothes, when you wearing it, and after it. So which means, can you promote me 3 times? Can you promote me 5 times a week? Can you promote me 2-3 times a day on the story, on feed, Instagram, Facebook? It needs to be specific because those people, they don't know, especially some model, they are not professional or they not never or not often to on the catwalk. They don't know. So that's why if you expect them to understand and do what you need or what you want, they don't. And then when that happen, it makes you upset, right? So let's recap. If you're watching this video, if you are the person that running a business, collaborate with someone, and you ask them support you or share your products or service on social media, but they don't do it. So my suggestion for you that number one, give them clear guidance. First, what do you want them to say? Second, how often do you want them to share? The third, what including in the caption or the written content in there? What do you want to include in? Maybe the location, the type of the service, or maybe different location or what that service for someone. So something like that. You need to make very clear. So but the best thing that write the template. So when you write the template and give it to them and say, here, can you just follow this and you fill the blank for me? And then you can post that for me 3 times a week this week. Or if you want them to promote before they wearing it, which means they can make a post, give them the template for that. After, when they actually wearing it and they doing it, what do you want them to share? Tell them. And the lastly, that when the day that they already wear and done about that, what they are going to say. And after 1 or 2 days, how they grateful for that, how appreciate that they feeling. Something like that. Give them the template. So when you give them very clear guidance, I guarantee with you, they will know what to do and they will do what you expect. Because for me, clear communication is the key. If you don't make very clear communication, don't assume that they know and they don't do it. Like as I say, some people they know, but some people they don't know. So instead of sit there and frustrated, just make very clear, write it down, everything you need, write it down and make very clear expectation and give them clear guidance. And that will help. So I hope you watching this, and if you have that feeling, make that change. I believe that it's help you connect with more people and people will share and help you with your business better. All right. So if you want to learn more about business, click to the link below. I have the workshop, every week workshop where I can share, learn more about business for completely free. Okay. Each workshop I will share in different. Number 1, mindset. Number 2, marketing about brand message. Number 3, content strategy or branding. And number 4, that how to get more profitable business. That all things that I will share with you. Joy and learn. Okay, joy and learn. I click the link below and join that and share to people that you actually know that will help them. All right, I'm Giang Brook, a founder of Premier Global Hair Academy and Brand Expert Role Agency. All right, bye for now.